Hello, my name is Dzakirin Asyraff, and today I am going to demonstrate um, the mini project that me and my group have created, which is a 3 bits Xerox photocopying machine with few enhancement such as password here, and then the price, the input switches for price, the 3-bit multiplier to calculate the price. Here is the printing properties, which is ink properties and page layout, and the price display here. So let's get started. I'm going to start the animation. So first thing I need to do is switch on the power for the password so that the decoder here would work. And then going to input the password. So let's say if I input the correct password, the LED here will light up. So the password is 1001. So as you can see, the password light up. And if I enter the wrong password, let's say, it won't light up. So now the password is valid, the password is correct, and all the other system will work perfectly. Then I'm going to input how many input that I need, how much copy that is required for me. So I'm going to input the maximum amount of copies. And then here is the price input. I'm going to go with 2 RM2 per copy, or 20 cents per copy. If depends on how the user wants to see the price display. So I'm going to input 010, and then we need to enable the clock for the machine to work. And this is the printing properties. It doesn't really affect much of the overall machine, so it doesn't really matter, but you can just choose whatever option you want. Depends on how you want the copies to look like. And then we're going to switch on the preset. So and then we can start the printing. So when I switch on the clear, or basically the start input, you can see the print will count up until it reach the amount of copies required. So I'm going to switch on right now. So you can see it counts up from 0 to 7. How much from 0 to how much copies that the user require. And then the price here, it shows in hexadecimal form. So it's actually E here. So if you convert to hexadecimal, from hexadecimal to decimal, this is 14. So if you don't believe me, you can change the output to, let's say, 3. So I'm going to start again the printing. So let's say the amount of copies required by the user is 3, and I'm going to start counting. I'm going to start the printing process by switching on the clear. So you can see it comes up from 0 to 3, and the price display is 6, which could mean 6 ringgit, or if you add 0 behind the 6, it becomes 60 cents. So this depends on the input that you put here. So 010 is basically 2. So the copies that the user need is 3, and it will multiply with 2, which is the price for each copy, and the total price will be 6 or 60 cents. Depends on how you see it. So this is the overall how our machine works. It's quite basic, but it works perfectly, I would say. So that's all. Thank you.